Hello friends, welcome you to the budget session. In this we will be discussing important key concept, just highlight to revise it at the last moment. Let's go for it. Now in this topic, in this session we will be discussing about infrastructure. In this year we have kept a target of spending around 100 lakh crore to be invested in infrastructure over the next 5 years. This is our target, to invest 100 lakh crore in next 5 years. Then there is an important topic about national infrastructure pipeline. So those who are writing UPSC mains, always remember, many a time we miss this word infrastructure pipeline, and in UPSC mains they ask a question on what write down salient features of national infrastructure pipeline. So this word is important. Here we are going to spend around 103 lakh crore worth of project. They have been launched on 31st of December 2019. More than 6500 projects will be launched across sectors, where they will be classified based on their size is first criteria of classification, and second criteria is their stage of development. So these 6500 projects will be classified based on their size and their stage of development. Then a national level logistic policy will be releasing it soon to have a work on the logistic aspect of the economy. To clarify what will be the roles of union government, state government and key regulator in this national logistic policy will be the first objective of national logistic policy. Then there will be a single window e-logistics market, and simultaneously through this national logistic policy we are going to focus on generation of employment and through skill, and making MSME more and more competitive, which need more and more funds, which are not being, as they are not financially sustainable. Then National Skill Development Agency will be giving special thrust on infrastructure focused skill development opportunities. It means the skill will be focusing on infrastructure, how these skills can be used in infrastructure industries, as well as infrastructure to work on the skills so that they can be used in the economy. Also, there will be a project preparation facility for infrastructure project is being proposed. To actively involve young engineers in the infrastructure sector, management graduates and economists from all the universities is also one of the important aspects. Infrastructure agencies of the government will involve youth power in this startup, one of the important objective to get benefits of demographic dividend. Almost rupees 1.7 lakh crore have been proposed for transport infrastructure in the year 2020-21. This can be used in your essay writing. Then what about highways? Let's go few important aspects of highways. There will be accelerated development of highways to be undertaken. In this we will be working on 2500 kilometer access to control highways, then 9000 kilometers of economic corridors, 2000 kilometers of coastal and land port roads, and 2000 kilometers of strategic highways will be developed. Then these are three most ambitious projects in terms of highways. Delhi-Mumbai Expressway and two other packages will be completed by 2023. Then Chennai-Bengaluru Expressway we are going to start. This is important expressway, Chennai-Bengaluru Expressway. Geography optional student, you have to keep it in mind. This is part of your infrastructure. Then there is a proposal to monetize at least 12 lots of highways bundles over 6000 km before 2024 under public-private partnership mode. Then what about Indian Railways? 5 important measures have been taken regarding Indian Railways. Large solar power capacity will be set up alongside rail tracks on land owned by railways. Then 4 station redevelopment projects and operation of almost 150 passenger trains will be started through public-private partnership mode. More Tejas type trains will be connected to iconic tourist destination to have more and more earning through the tourism. High speed train between Mumbai and Ahmedabad will be actively pursued. 148 km long Bengaluru suburban transport project at the cost of 18,600 crore will have fares on metro model. Central government will provide 20% of equity and facilitate external assistance up to 60% of the project cost for this Bengaluru suburban transport project like metro. Indian Railways achievement: 550 Wi-Fi facilities commissioned in as many as possible stations. 0 unmanned crossings have been achieved, and 27,000 km of tracks will be electrified soon. Ports and waterways. One of the very important development has been taken by this government regarding ports and waterways. It is First one, corporatizing at least one major port and its listing on stock exchange will be considered. Second, governance framework keeping with global benchmark needed for more efficient seaports. Third one, economic activity along river bank to be energized as Prime Minister's Earth Ganga concept. The most important concept is Earth Ganga concept. Then airports. 100 more airports will be developed by 2024 to support UDAN scheme of central government. Air fleet number is expected to go up from present 600 to 1200 during this time period. Electricity, smart metering, as usual, old concept is there, and more measures will be taken to reform DISCOM has been discussed in this budget. Power, 22,000 crore rupees have been proposed for power and renewable energy sector in 2020-21. Expansion of national gas grid from present 16,200 km to 27,000 km is proposed in this year's budget, as well as next reforms to facilitate transparent price discovery and ease of transportation will be taken shortly. Then we will discuss in new lecture. We will think about new economy shortly. Now, what is new economy? To take advantage of new technologies. Policy to enable private sector to build data center parks throughout the country will be brought out soon. Basically here private sector will be involved in building more and more data centers, and this information can be used in analyzing economy in a more better manner. Then fiber to home connections through BharatNet will be used to link almost 1 lakh gram panchayats this year. Target is 1 lakh gram panchayat. 6,000 crore is proposed for BharatNet program in 2021. Here we are using fiber to home connection for linking 1 lakh gram panchayat. Then measures proposed for benefiting startups are: a digital platform will be promoted to facilitate seamless application, applying and capture of intellectual property rights. Second, knowledge translation clusters will be set up across different technology sectors including new and emerging areas through funding by the government. For designing, fabrication and validation of proof of concept and further scaling up technology, clusters harboring test beds and small scale manufacturing facilities will be established soon. Mapping of India's genetic landscape, that is, 2 new national level science schemes will be initiated to create a comprehensive database on India's genetic landscape, which was in news a few days back. Early life funding proposed, including a seed fund to support ideation and development of early stage startups. Rupees 8,000 crore have been proposed over 5 years for National Mission on Quantum Technologies and Application. Remember this mission and search it on internet. You could get a question on National Mission on Quantum Technologies and Application. The next one is Caring Society. What it focuses? See, Caring Society, it focuses on women and child, social welfare, culture and tourism. Allocation of almost 35,600 crore have been given for nutrition related programs. Now, you have to make a list of various nutrition related programs by central government and state government. Rupees 28,600 crore have been proposed for women specific programs. This particular line can be used in your essay. Issue about age of girl attending motherhood. A task force has been appointed and they will be bringing report recommendation within 6 months of the time period. Financial supports will be given for wider acceptance of technologies which are identified by Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs to ensure no manual cleaning of sewer system or septic tanks to be provided. Almost 85,000 crore rupees have been proposed for 2020-21 for welfare of scheduled caste and other backward classes. 53,000 crore provided for further development and welfare of scheduled tribes. No need to remember the numbers. Enhanced allocation of 9,500 provided for 2021 for senior citizens and Divyang. Whenever the word on Caring Society comes, you have to keep these people in mind. Then in next lecture we will go for culture and tourism. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Thank you.